up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Daria Lashae. For those of you that are new, if you are a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back to my channel. And if you are a new subscriber to this channel, thanks for joining in. On this channel, I do mostly lifestyle videos, like vlogs basically, and then I also do vlogs about my business. I do have an Etsy shop and I vlog here and there about that. So if any of that sounds interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It's Sunday today. I am gonna be filming 2 videos in one, so hopefully this doesn't get too chaotic, but in this video, I will be filming a Sunday reset, or like a Sunday day in my life type of video. I got a couple of things that I need to do on my to-do list. I need to go to the grocery store, get a few items for the week. I need to clean up. I need to do actually a closet clean out, which is what my second video is going to be. So you'll see that in the next week or two. What I'm gonna do is actually go to get me some coffee because I cannot go throughout this day without coffee. So let's go. Yo, it is so gloomy outside. Like, it's all rainy. I legit had to put a hat on because I just flat ironed my hair and it's probably already honestly getting frizzy, so that sucks. But if I have the hat on for the rest of this video, you know why. Yes. You too. Okay, y'all, so I got a large vanilla iced coffee with caramel and whipped cream from McDonald's. If you haven't tried it, go try it. And then I also got my boyfriend a orange juice. So I'll see y'all at home. It literally started pouring outside when I got home, so my shirt got a little wet and my hair looks a hot mess now, but it is what it is. That's a Sunday for you. I feel like it always rains on the weekend. Like, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like anytime during the week it'd be nice. Like when you at work and you want to be outside because the weather is all nice, it's raining, or it's not raining, but then the weekend come and it want to rain. Like, I don't understand it, but whatever. This lighting is amazing in the bathroom. Everywhere else in this apartment is trash and I don't get it. I don't understand why it's like that. Like, watch y'all. So this is the bathroom and this is the like living room, or not living room, but like the hallway area. And this, well, the kitchen light is not on right now, but y'all get me. It's like weird. Anyways, I'm about to wash some clothes because that's what a great Sunday is for, washing clothes. This is all the clothes that I need to wash right now. It's like a big old pile of clothes that's been piling up. So I'm about to pretty much divide all the clothes between whites, lights, and darks, and then start washing my clothes. So yeah. Still washing. I only did 1 load. I'm gonna probably have like 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5 more loads to do probably. Our washer and dryer, I don't know if you can tell, but it is so small. It came with this apartment because this apartment was furnished, and so obviously we didn't get to pick our washer and dryer, and it's so small. It literally, like my old washer and dryer I had could do like 1 times more, like could fit 1 times more in the washer than this one does. It's so small. But anyways, that just means I have to wash smaller loads, so that's unfortunate, but that's okay. It's currently 11:32 right now. I think right now what I'm about to do is actually journal. I'm gonna journal a little bit because I should have did that earlier. I usually try to like do it earlier in the morning to kind of set the tone for the day, but I forgot to do that. So I'm gonna journal. Okay guys, so now that I'm done with my journal, I was just chilling for a little bit, watching some TV. Now I'm probably about to do my closet clean out. I'm probably not going to show too much of that in this video because this video is more focused on the Sunday reset, which does include closet clean out, but I decided I wanted to make this a separate video. So I don't know which video is going to go up first. The closet clean out probably will be up because that one may take the least amount of time to edit. Excuse my boyfriend, he's playing the game if you can hear that. But that one you'll probably see already. So if you haven't seen it, go click on it. If it's not there, then it will be up soon, depending on which one of these videos goes up first. This is what the before looks like. Hi vlog. It is quite some time later. I just finished my closet clean out video. I'll show you guys what my closet looks like. I did show you obviously what the before is, but you guys saw all the clothes I was hanging up here. I took all that stuff out. I got quite a bit of hangers that's free for new clothes. There's some stuff down here still. All this stuff is winter clothes that would not fit in the suitcase that I cleared out. There's winter shoes at the bottom. And then on this side, all my purses are in the middle. There is some crop tops and skirts and more skirts and shorts in here. And then this is like athletic gym clothes as well as like going out clothes. And my suitcases, I went through all those, and there's one bag here that I am going to be getting rid of with like shoes and clothes in there. So overall, that video definitely was a success. If you guys haven't seen it, I think it'll be up before this one, so go check it out if you haven't, or if it is not up, then stay tuned for when it does get uploaded. But yeah, so we are continuing with the Sunday reset. It is so hot in my apartment, y'all. I'm literally about to die, but we gotta go to the store, get some stuff for the upcoming week, a part of the Sunday reset. We kind of do this every Sunday. We run out of food for the week, otherwise we would eat out every single day. Another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart. So I'm back from Aldi. I didn't get much footage in there because I ended up being on the phone like while I was at the store. But I will give you guys a quick haul of everything I got basically for the week. First thing I got was a gallon of milk. I got this Hawaiian punch. Also, whenever I go to Aldi, I do bring my own little bags. This one is from Amazon. It's not that cute, but they didn't have a lot of options whenever I picked or whenever I was looking at them. So it's a hot and cold bag. It will keep your stuff hot or cold, obviously. And so yeah, this is insulated. This is how the inside of them look. And I have 4 of these little things of the bags. I only needed 3 of them, but that's how it looks. So I also got some hamburger buns. We got just some bread. I got some hot dog buns. I got some orange juice. This was a very budgeted trip. Like, we are trying to save to actually move out of state. So like, we are very much budget friendly meals. So yeah, we also got some cereal for the morning, some kettle chips for our lunches. We got some linguine pasta, which I haven't tried this before, but it sounds good. I only got it because they didn't have spaghetti pasta, so we'll see. I got a box of Kraft mac and cheese. Also got some brownies, which I low-key kind of want to make these today, but I don't know. I may not make it. I don't know. We'll see. And then I got some crackers, some popcorn. This is our favorite snack to eat. And then some ultimate cheeseburger skillet. Like I said, budget meals. I've never tried this before, so hopefully it's good. I don't know. I guess we're gonna see, but it was cheap, so we got it. This is the last bag. Got some eggs. My table is getting full in front of me. We got some breaded chicken patties. We're gonna make this out of 2 meals. One is gonna be like a chicken sandwich, and then the other one is gonna be chicken parmesan. We got some strawberries, provolone cheese, some hot dogs, some beef hot dogs to be specific. We got some bananas. We got 2 things of steak, or 2 things of soup. My boyfriend got the steak and potato soup, and then I got the creamy chicken and dumpling soup. We got some ground beef for our skillet that we're gonna eat, and then we got tomato sauce, or pasta sauce for the chicken parmesan, and then I got a cheap little iced coffee. They had the Starbucks brand, but like I said, we was going cheap, and this one was like $2.99, and the Starbucks was like almost $6. So definitely went with this cheaper option. And yeah, that's everything I basically got. So this was a good little Sunday trip. I actually was going to do the dishes, but as you guys can see, my lovely boyfriend already did them. So super happy I don't have to do those, but he already did them. So I'm just gonna put these groceries up and so I am back from my much needed shower for the night. On Sundays, I usually, after I get done running errands, I'll come home and instantly take a shower because that's pretty much my wind down time, and I just want to be comfortable for the rest of the night until the work week starts. But I have my iPad with me. I might edit. I also have my Nintendo Switch, and I have my book to read. Those are the 3 things, like activity wise, that I usually recycle, and watching TV for the evening. I don't know what I'm gonna do right now, but I'll probably end the vlog here. I don't think I'm gonna include dinner in this video because I won't probably make food until later today, like in a couple hours, and it might just be too dark for me to film. So I will be ending the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for next week's video.